The ZT10 is the first four-wheel mid-size scooter with iTurn technology, giving you the turning radius of a three-wheel scooter with the stability of a four-wheel scooter. Your ZT10 will be shipped in two boxes, the ZT10 and the seat. Remove the seat and set aside. To remove the ZT10 from the box, cut the front of the box away and let it fall to the floor. Then remove the foam holding the front wheels in place. Put the unit in freewheel, then lift up the rear and wheel the unit out of the box. Make sure you have all parts before beginning assembly. You should have all of the following: the ZT10 scooter, the seat, the arms and arm pads, the battery charger, the basket, the owner's manual. Start by removing the battery shroud to connect the batteries that come shipped with the unit. The batteries come installed in the unit but disconnected, so you will need to connect them. Follow the instructions to connect the Anderson connectors. They are numbered so that you cannot mix them up. Replace the battery shroud and test for power. Once you have power, test the unit by moving it forward and backwards. From here, attach the seat and add the arms. Be sure to leave at least 3/4 of an inch when inserting the arm pads to the arm. Add the front basket and you're ready to go. The ZT10 comes with 3 speed settings, which are located on the console. Eco mode lets you cruise at speeds of 4 miles per hour. The EV mode lets you cruise at speeds of 5 miles per hour. And Sport mode will let you go the max speed of 6 miles per hour, simply by setting the speed dial to your desired comfort speed. The ZT10 comes equipped with both front and rear LED lights to keep you safe while traveling at night. The ZT10 is equipped with both front and rear scrolling LED turn signals. Hazard lights can also be activated. There is also a puddle light to help you see the storage compartment located on the tiller. Also located on the tiller is the horn. It comes equipped with a Delta wraparound tiller for easy use of the throttle and steering. A rear view mirror or cell phone can be added as an accessory. The battery meter has a built-in ambient sensor for night and day. The ZT10 comes standard with a large basket. And the ZT10 also comes equipped with CTS Suspension, Comfort Track Suspension, for a much smoother ride. To adjust the tiller, simply pull the lever up and move forward or backwards for your desired comfort. The XLR port located on the tiller will allow you to charge the batteries without removing them from the unit. The ZT10 also comes equipped with a standard USB port, allowing you to charge your phone while on the unit. There are also 2 freewheel levers located on the rear of the unit, allowing you to put the scooter in neutral to manually push. The ZT10 comes with 10-inch rear tires and 9-inch front tires, as well as anti-tip wheels in the rear. The iTurn technology allows the ZT10 to turn in tight areas such as hallways and bathrooms. The seat is designed with a slider, allowing you to move the seat forward and backwards for your comfort. You can adjust the armrest in both height and angle for your comfort. The seat also swivels, allowing you to turn for easy transfers on and off the seat. The ZT10 can disassemble for transport of your unit. First, remove the seat. Then, remove the plastic battery cover. Loosen the battery strap. Disconnect the batteries by simply pulling up on the Anderson connectors. Then, remove the batteries. Next, disconnect the power and motor connectors. And simply pull up on the quick disconnect lever and separate the body from the rear axle. To reassemble the unit, follow the diagram shown on the lever to reconnect the wires and attach the rear axle. Replace the batteries and tighten down the battery strap, and you're ready to go. With contemporary styling and cutting-edge technology, the ZT10 is the perfect combination of aggressive performance and maneuverability. Discover the comfortable ride the ZT10 provides with the CTS suspension. Powerful dual motors and two-wheel drive offers aggressive traction, easily tackling rugged terrain on trails. Thank you for choosing Pride Mobility products for all your mobility needs.